So we take this bracket and the supplied bolts that are a little bit longer, 1/4 inch longer. Next we'll install the bracket that goes to the transmission fan. And leave it loose. Next bracket. Then we'll connect our 2 brackets back here. Then we install our gaskets. And we'll walk over here. Make sure you put your gaskets in all the way. They're tapered and the flat side goes into the engine. Install our O2 reducers. Then an oxygen sensor. This flange goes in, tapered, recess cut out towards the engine, and then the clip goes in over. And then be sure your clip sits in that recessed area. Rinse and repeat. And we'll route our oxygen cable here. Let's go ahead and route our O2 sensor wire. And let's do a rear primary. Let's route our rear O2 sensor wire. All right, now that we've got our flanges, new gaskets in, O2 sensors are installed, ready for a muffler. This is the brushed Shorty. Get our muffler rotated into position, slide in our dog bone and supporting hardware. All right, next let's put our springs on. Next we'll go ahead and tighten up the bracket to the muffler. Next we'll go ahead and tighten up the rest of our hardware. Get in there. Good. Next we'll go ahead and hand tighten up all of our flange nuts. Just go in hand tight. All right, next we'll tighten and torque our flange nuts from top down on each side to 10 foot-pounds. Next we'll go ahead and install our long bolt and the spacers supplied with our kit. We'll put our spacer in this direction. Put our 3-pin cover back on. Don't forget your bag. Don't forget your brake clean or denatured alcohol. Wipe all your fingerprints off the pipe before you start it. And that is the M8 Sawicki Speed Intimidator Bagger Shorty.